If you're wondering how this works, here's a quick look. The trigger underneath lights up the screen. The screen is really easy to read, and the trigger makes it really simple to use. Here I can test my air conditioning vent, see the temperature in the house. The freezer shows me the correct temperature inside there. The display lasts for a few seconds, which is great. I can take it outdoors on the patio like this, and it gives me the temperature of the outside air. I find it's very accurate, and it responds very quickly when I scan different surfaces. Here's a pan that I put on the stove. Now, the thermometer is only designed for surface temperatures, not for measuring human body temperature. Overall, I find it really easy to use, very helpful for cooking, household, automotive, and other outdoor temperature checks. And it's very accurate.